Is visual inspection sufficient to verify cleanliness of manufacturing equipment? A first read of the cosmetic ISO might give the impression that visual inspection is sufficient. In the standard, cleaning is defined as an operation of separating and eliminating generally visible dirt from a surface. However, the quality professional needs to consider two things. First, not all equipment areas are visible. Pumps, valves, homogenizers and tubing inner surfaces are hardly visible. Unless specific equipment is available such as borescopes, some equipment areas are practically blind spots, making inspection impossible. Even in the case where there's feasibility to completely dismantle the equipment into parts, still in most of these cases, dismantling is a time-consuming and risky activity that cannot provide with an efficient routine inspection solution. The second consideration is even more tricky. Insufficient cleaning can impair equipment sanitization. According to Cosmetic GMP, if necessary, equipment should be subject to sanitization, additionally to cleaning. In such case, the best practice is to separate cleaning and sanitization into two distinct processes. First, cleanliness is ensured and then sanitization takes place. This is to avoid dirt or residues interfering in the sanitization method or neutralizing the sanitizer. Having that said, visual inspection alone cannot possibly detect water-soluble or transparent chemical residues, especially in low concentrations. Having these considerations in mind, it is not a surprise that most organizations combine visual inspection with a variety of methods to verify cleanliness, ranging from non-specific conductivity or total organic carbon measurements to analytical quantitative methods. The exact method of cleanliness verification should be decided after careful consideration of all aspects such as the product criticality, the equipment complexity, the starting materials and the need of sanitization. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment and let us know which other topics you would like us to elaborate on.